Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember that this reading is not for all Scorpio and it might not be resonates to each and every one. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What does Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today. Let me see your energy in this reading. First, we have the Eight of Cups. This is the past situation. Let me see the present energy is the Justice. Oh my gosh, I love this card for you guys. The future is the Magician, also a powerful card. Two major arcanas come out now. And the outcome of this reading, wow, the Star. This is a powerful reading because I have had three major arcanas. The Justice, the Magician, and the Star. Let me clarify your readings for today. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. If this is not your story and your energy, just leave it, okay? Your first card is the Eight of Cups. This is the past situation. For some of you guys, it could be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign. Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Could also be a group of 8 people. Of course, this is your readings. Somebody here walk away. It's because somebody here never reciprocated you. Somebody here could also be that they are not valuing your love and your support to them. And I fully understand if you move on and you pour love to yourself, this is an unconditional love to yourself. It could also be that you are supporting with this person or group of people in the past. And this group of people or person could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community, for instance, your neighbors. And you are walking away from this situation because somebody here is emotionally detached. Somebody here never reciprocating your support, your value. This person viewed you now that you are moving away and you are no longer communicating with them anymore for some of you guys, and you don't care with this person or group of people anymore because Scorpio doesn't want to lead in a certain situation when we feel that we are not reciprocated, that nobody is valuing our feelings, our support. And I fully understand you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to pour love to yourself, because this could also be that there is a confusion here, a vagueness in this situation, in this scenario. Clarify me, Father, why the Eight of Cups in this reading? Thank you, spirits. It is clarified as Hoheri Hawaiian. This is a German language which stands for higher congregation. Could also be a higher beliefs. I don't know what is this all about. You are moving away. You detach yourself. You walk away from this person or group of people. Could also be related to your tradition, beliefs, and or religious group. I don't know what is this all about. This could be a higher or a sacred group, a higher congregation. And you are no longer dealing with them anymore because you are awakened. It could also be that they are only abusing your kindness, your support, your generosity. Could also be a charity organization, I don't know, or could be a higher belief, a tradition, and or religion. I don't know what is this all about. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You detach from this person or group of people. Either a belief, a religion, or I don't know. This could also be an organization or charity. Clarify me, Father, why the... Could also be your family. Why the Eight of Cups in this reading? Tell me more about the Eight of Cups, sir, please. Why the Eight of Cups here for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? It is clarified as Trillingi, the twins. This could be Gemini is involved here, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart, or you are dealing with people. With these 8 people, could also be a collaboration. Could also be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, and or Gemini. You are no longer dealing with them anymore because you walk away. Could be a religion, an organization, a higher congregation. You are detaching yourself because you realize to love yourself unconditionally. It's because this person or group of people didn't value your worth. And we have heard justice. This is the present situation. You see? You walk away, you move on, and you pour love to yourself. And that's why the universe gives you the justice. This is the cause and effect for some of you guys. Others of you, it could also be that there are people in the past who are now receiving their bad karma for what they have done to you, because the justice is just like the law of karma. What goes around comes around. This person or group of people are now seeing the truth of who you are. The universe takes over in this situation to give you the truth and to give you a fair judgment, the clarity and illumination. Could also be that this person or group of people now are being exposed. Yeah. This could be related to higher congregation, a sacred belief, a religion, or I don't know what is this all about. Could also be a traditional belief. And now you have seen the truth. And this person or group of people are now awakened of who you are. For some of these people, guys, they want to return, to ask forgiveness and to reconcile. And it's up to you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because at the end of the day, you are responsible of your own life and your own destiny. It could also be that for some of you, if you have problems related to this person or group of people which is now in the court, rest assured that the justice is in your favor. It could also be that this person or group of people in the past misjudged you or treated you injustice, did you unjust. That's why you walk away, and now your justice is here. And I love this card for you because this is, major things that happen in your life. To have justice for what they have done to you, for this person or group of people. Could also be related to an organization, a higher congregation or belief. Could also be a religion. I don't know which is this all about. And everything they have done to you are now exposed. It could also be that they are the group of people who are pretending that they are, they are the holy one, and they want you to be in this group, but you walk away because you have seen the truth. And aside from that, they are not reciprocating your value. And I fully understand that you pour love to yourself and walk away from this situation. Could also be that this is your family. Traditional values, belief or religion, or a group of people. It could also be a sacred group. I don't know which is this all about. Take only what fits in your story. Remember that justice is in your favor. Because you have seen the truth. It could also be that there are lots of exposure of the things hidden from this organization, religious belief, or a group. It could also be a group of elite people, a group of millionaires, billionaires, because this is a so-called higher congregation. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please, the justice here. For some of you, it could be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart, or a person who has an authority in or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and involves a Gemini. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please, why the justice here. I love this reading for you. The justice is clarified as 11th house. This is the energy of an Aquarius. For some of you guys, it could be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart, and or you are dealing with Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart, and or a person who has an authority. Could also be a collaboration of this a so-called sacred and higher congregation. Involves Gemini and a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpios. And now, justice served in your favor. And this person are now receiving their karma for what you have done to you. Could also be that these are collaborations. Others of this person or group of people, guys, are now in jail because they are facing their karma. Could also be that they are now in a spiritual jail, mental jail. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could also be a collaboration. Take only what fits in your story. The 11th house is an Aquarius. Could also be that this person are now receiving their karma for what they have done to you. Because justice is just like what goes around comes around. They taste their own medicine. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why the justice in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the justice here, please? The justice is clarified as Wagimot. This is daring. For some of you guys, I feel like this person in the past are so daring. Daring because they misjudge you without any reason. It could also be because of jealousy and envy. It could also be a group of people who are daring in this organization. You look in this religious group or beliefs, I don't know, and they are daring to misjudge you, to create unjust in your life. It could also be that now you receive your justice and now they're receiving the bad karma, good karma for you. It could also be that they viewed you that you are daring because they believe, how could Scorpio survive what we have done to them? It could also be that you are daring. This is your feelings towards this person or group of people because you have seen the truth. You have seen the intention towards you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And we have here the Magician. This is the future. It could be that you are dealing with a Gemini or a Virgo. Remember, Gemini double confirmation is here. And or you are dealing with this person or group of people. And they are manifesting you back in their lives. Could also be that they want to communicate with you. Because for most of you guys, I fully understand if you are no longer communicating with them anymore. You are tired and sick with their lies, with their trickery and manipulation, and you have seen the truth, the justice. This person is manifesting you in their lives. If this is a new person, if this is the past people, they want to communicate with you. It could also be that they are manifesting you back in their lives, or they will plan to manipulate you, to trick you or gaslight you, because the Magician could also be a manipulation and or trickery. Others of you guys, this is your energy. Everything is under your control. This is in the future energy. You can manifest whatever you want. In your last reading, it was also come out. All you need to do is to take an action with your dreams, to believe in yourself, to trust in yourself. Because whatever you manifested is in front of you. You are advised to take an action, because if you will not take an action, your manifestation will remain as an illusion. Remember, you are here divinely supported with the 4 elements: the air, the water, the fire, and the earth. And everything is under your control. You need to trust yourself that you have power, that you have skills, that you can create something. And of course, you need to trust as well the magic of the universe, that it will come to you in a divine timing. Somebody here is manifesting you in their lives. Others of these people, either they want to trick you or they viewed you as a magician, because whatever they did to you, it didn't work. It was failed. It was a failure. Because the justice is in your favor. And you are right from the very beginning that you walk away. You did the right decision, because you are one of the most intuitive sign in the zodiac. And through your intuition, you can discern that this person or group of people are such a deceit. Aside from that, they are not reciprocating you in the past. And your justice is here. You are no longer dealing with them anymore. You detach from this. Could be a belief, an organization, a religious group. I don't know what is this all about. Because you have seen the truth. And they are manifesting you back in their lives. They want to communicate with you because for most of you, you are no longer communicating with them anymore or with this person anymore. Because you are tired and sick with their lies, trickery, and manipulation. Could be that you are dealing with a Virgo, Gemini. Could also be Libra. Gemini is double confirmation. Remember that. Could also be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and or an Aquarius. Because this is the clarification of the justice. Aquarius. This person is now reaping what they sow. What they sow is what they reap. Includes Gemini and Virgo. Take only what fits in your story. It could also be a collaboration of an organization, a group of people, which is related as an elite people or in the higher society, a higher congregation, religion, or belief. Clarify me, please, why the Magician in this reading. Tell me more about the Magician here for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The Magician is clarified as Boranggihin. Yeah. This is, you are now stepping forward. Yeah, you lead. You are now creating a leadership. This is a German language astro cards, which means to lead, to step forward. Boranggihin. Yeah, this is like in the traffic light. You need to go because the green light is on your lane. Boranggihin. Yeah. And this is the clarification of the Magician. You have power to manifest. They viewed you as a magical person. For some of these people, I feel like they are eager to communicate with you. I don't know why they want to communicate with you. Maybe they want to ask forgiveness. You look. They want to reconcile with you because they have seen the truth of who you are. And it could also be that the universe advise you to lead this group of people. You are the reason why it was happened because you have a mission from this person or group of people who belongs to this higher congregation. A belief could also be traditional values, or a group of elite people. Could also be that this is in your family. I don't know which is this all about. And you have a mission to take as a leader of this person or group of people. Maybe you meet this person or group of people because you are the catalyst of their lives in order for them to awaken. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, Father, why the Magician here. Tell me more about the Magician here for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The Magician is clarified as 7th house. This is the energy of a Virgo. Libra. Could be that you are dealing with a Libra, 7th house. Or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Double confirmation here. The Libra is the justice, right? It could also be that you are, or this is your time to go ahead because everything is cleared now. You have now a green light, Boranggihin. Maybe before they are trying to block your path, your journey, and now everything is cleared to you because of the justice come out. And this is the time for you to go ahead. Like the traffic light. The light is green, Scorpio. You need to go ahead. Yeah. It's your time to take an action with your manifestation, to use your power. Because you are powerful than them. And that's why they mess you up in the past. Because they knew that you are more powerful than them. It could also be that they are powerful. They are an influential person, but they want your power because you are more powerful than them. That's why they includes you or they involves you to this situation in the past where they intentionally plan that you are not reciprocated, that you are not valuable because they have seen your power. And they hate it. They are triggered. Nevertheless, you have here a justice in your favor. Could be that you are dealing with a Libra, a Gemini, Virgo, an Aquarius, or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, because these are the cards come out here. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And the outcome is the Star. You see? Go ahead, my fellow Scorpios. The traffic light is green. And this is your path, your way to be a star. This could be related to your healing journey. And I feel like this person or group of people involved in this reading wants to heal the trauma between you and them. For some of you guys, you choose to heal. You prioritize your inner peace and the tranquility of your surroundings because you have seen the truth. The justice is here. Others of you, this is like your feelings of being free from the devastated storm happen in your life. That's why the universe advises you to go ahead because the traffic light is green. Your path is cleared, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. The justice is here. And you are right from the very beginning that you walk away from this person or group of people. For some of you guys, it could also be that you have a gift from the universe. This could be a sacred insights and you are advised to use it to inspire and to give hopes to other people. For most of you, you are continuing your healing journey. It could also be that you are dealing with a person who is in the spotlight, in the public eye, or you are the one who is in the public eye, or both of you are in the public eye. Could also be an influential people you are dealing with. Yeah. Could also be that this person or group of people wants to dim your light because yours is shining bright. Or you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Could also that this person is feeling inspired by you. This person viewed you as a star. Could also be that you are dealing with a person who is a performer, a singer, a model, I don't know, who is working in the public eye. Or you are in the public eye, or both of you are in the public eye. For some of you, it could also be that you have a platform in your social media. And your content is related to enlightenment, giving hopes and inspiration to other people. And there are people who are enlightened, sorry guys, because of my German language, enlightened with your content, or you give them hopes and they are inspired with your content. I don't know. What is this all about? The universe wants to remind you that you are on the right path. You need to follow the stars in your journey because this is a green light. Boranggihin. To go ahead. To step forward. To act as a leader. And to use your power. Because you have a power to manifest. Everything is now cleared because the justice is here. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please, why the star in this reading. Tell me more about the star here, please. The star is clarified as Mercury. You see, I told you, either you are dealing with Gemini, Virgo, and or there could be a communication here. This person wants to communicate with you. Could be a person who is in the public eye or an Aquarius. Could also be Gemini, Virgo, because Mercury is ruling planets of Virgo and Gemini. A Libra is involved here. In or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Because these are the cards come out here. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio. Clarify me, Father, why the star in this reading. Tell me more about the star here, please, for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, moon, rising. It is clarified as potential. You have lots of potential, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to be a star. You have lots of potential to heal the people. Because for some of you guys, you gain lots of wisdom and knowledge after the painful experiences you have undergone in the past. And you have a potential to heal the people. You are the lights of the world, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And that's why if you have a sacred insights, the universe advises you to use it in order to enlighten, to give hopes and inspiration to other people. Could also be that this person viewed you that you have lots of potential to be a star. I don't know, it's just this all about. Or to be a healer. Somebody here wants to heal the trauma between you and them. Either you are dealing with an Aquarius, a person who is in the public eye. Remember, Aquarius is double confirmation here, yeah? Aquarius, Libra, Virgo, and Gemini. Could also that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Because these are the cards come out here. Remember, they wants to communicate with you. Because you are no longer communicating with them. I fully understand. Because of this higher beliefs. Could be an elite society, a society of elite people, or could also be a religious group. I don't know what is this all about. Could also be traditional values. I don't know. It's just this all about the higher congregation that he wants to involve you, but you are detaching your energy because you have seen the truth. You can discern it from the beginning. You already knew that this is not good for you because you are intuitive. To be blindfolded with this person or group of people, to be in this organization or a higher congregation. I don't know. Which is this all about? Take only what fits in your story. And that ends your reading, guys. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Happy birthday to all my fellow Scorpios. Thank you for joining me here once again. I love you all. Bye.